Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add music on your video by the CapCut application. So here I already have the video and I already have the clip, but then on my video there is no audio and there is no music either. So let's add the music for this clip. So the things that you have to do is just make sure that this straight line is done in the beginning of the clip. If it's done in the middle, you just need to drag it into the right side of your clip until the straight line is done in the beginning of the clip. And after that, you just need to go click audio. If you already have the music on your photo library, you just need to go click extract it and then extract the music from the video that you have. But then if you already have no music, go into the sounds, because the CapCut is already prepared to you a lot of music that you can use. You can extract it from the TikTok too, so you just need to link the CapCut application with your TikTok account so that the TikTok audio will be coming into your CapCut application and you can use the music from the CapCut from the TikTok. My bad. And after that, if you want to do instantly, you just need to go click this group of the music style, and you just need to choose which music type that you want to add, and here there will be a lot of musics or instrument that you can use for your video. And after you found one, you just need to go click it, have the test, and go click this plus button right here. And now the music will be imported into the clip or the project. And the things that you need to consider again is you need to trim the music's part so that the length of the music will be the same with the clip. By click it and go click split and delete for the rest. And here is the result. So that's the way how to add music on the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.